YouTube, Facebook. Sean Wiggins, BFC back here with another video. Yeah. How to grow a small account on Webull. How to grow a small account using a Webull mobile platform. As you guys can see on my small account here, my small account is up $64. So you do the math, you minus 64, that's what I invested on my own. Right now, I only have 2 positions that I'm working with. And those 2 positions are going to be 2 hype stocks that everyone's talking about right now. SNDL and AMC. AMC's been doing this thing. I have 12 shares of AMC that I bought at $8.78, and the last price on AMC, you can see the information is down here in the bottom. When you're looking at the mobile platform, Webull, you're gonna have your positions down here in the bottom. All right, this is what you paid, and this is what it's worth now. All right. So as you can see, as I stated, I'm up in both positions pretty good. I should have been sold these positions, I'll be honest with you. The only reason I'm still holding because of the hype that's behind these stocks right now. Alright? A lot of hype. You guys already know. The Wall Street Bet guy and his following. A lot of hype right behind these stocks. AMC already had the earnings, and we have SNDL earnings coming up. But the one thing I might do, I don't know, this is a very tough call. Because I feel like there's going to be like a little push before the earnings, right? Now, I don't know how many of you guys do your homework. But, the history of the earnings for this company, it tends to drop after their earnings, all right? So that's like a good thing and a bad thing, depending on where you at and how you playing it, right? Well, I say a good and bad, all right? So like for me, because I'm up 30% right now, it might uptrend a little more, right? It might uptrend a little more, just by looking at it's looking good. I see the 200 is like slanted a little bit, right? But what I believe is gonna happen is gonna trend up a little bit, and when it hit earnings, it might do a drop. The reason why I say might, because every earnings for the past earnings they had, the stock tends to drop. So is that gonna happen again? Is it just like an earning thing for this stock that it drops after earnings? So why is that a good thing and a bad thing? All right. So for a person like me, what I might do is right before earnings, take my profits, let it drop, and then get back in. Because this company got new management, all right? A lot of new things is going on for this company. A lot of expansion is going on. I do believe that this price here will go up, all right? That's just my opinion, what I'm doing with my stock. You got to do your own research to make your own choices, all right? But as of right now, I still feel comfortable, you know what I'm saying? Going to play it close. Looking forward to 4 o'clock later on. We're going to see what the stock does in the pre-market hours, all right? Look at the daily chart. Let's go look at the candlesticks. Oh, I'm looking at the candlesticks. Duh. We got a lot of consolidation going on. A lot of consolidation. Alright. That's what we need to happen tomorrow, right? Let's go swing over to AMC real quick. See how AMC is looking. We don't really need to talk too much about this. We just needed to keep on pushing. Like it's been pushing. Look at some of the comments below if they got any. A minute ago, all futures are slightly AMC. I don't even know what that be meaning. Dip to 130, and I'm going in deep. Where we at now? Yeah, I believe it's gonna take a dip. It's definitely gonna take a dip. See? Because the earnings, it takes a dip.
Want to manage your credit cards, bank accounts, and savings
I hate when that happens.
Make a better view of your money happen. Google Pay makes it simple.
All right, let's go in the bottom of the comments to see what other people are thinking. So you can look at the news. When you want to look at the comments, just go down in the bottom here. You got the comment section. You got the news section. I like to look at the news, see what's going on a little bit. And too much to see what's going on with AMC. I don't remember how to chocolate. I just want to refresh my memory. Look at the one day, got that big spike. Probably gonna get a drop. Probably gonna get a. If that 5-minute moving average stay that same, I don't think it will. Remember what I said about the price point and the 20, right? It's a big gap, right? So you already know what time it is with that. But that definitely gonna come down in the pre-market hours. All right, I want to go over something real quick with you guys. All right, how much time we in? We in 6 minutes. For those of you who are still here, I'm gonna go over something with you guys, and I'm gonna go to SNDL. This is something you guys gotta know, right? When it comes to controlling, you gotta be in control, right? You just can't be loose. What I mean by that? All right, let me give you guys an example right here. I need a nice piece. Looking for a nice piece. All right, we're gonna go right here. All right. We'll use this. All right. So let's say we'll go something. Let's just say, okay. Let's say I'm gonna show you guys how to cut losses. What I mean by that, cutting your loss. Cutting your loss means you're in a position. All right. Position goes up. You know, and you're wanting it to do this, but it doesn't do that. Instead, it does this. All right. Now I'm gonna show you a way where. Let's just say, you know, you was in this trade and you had to go to the bathroom real quick. And by the time you came back, this happened. You're like, what the? Why did that happen so fast? I'm going to show you guys something called a limit sell, all right? And what you're going to do is, you're going to go down here to the trade button, right? Once you hit that trade button, all right, you're going to get options. You got limit. You got market, you got stop, you got OTO. We're not going over stop, and we're not going over, well, you know what? We're gonna go over, we are gonna do that. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna go over with you, limit sell, right? Limit sell, and the stop. I don't know if it's stop sell, you just hit that stop, you're gonna find out right now though. Basically what a limit sell is, a limit sell, go back to the chart. A limit sell. So let's say, you know, you're trading your stocks and yeah, oh my God, everything is looking so great. Everything is looking so beautiful. Oh. You gotta go to the bathroom real quick. You're like, you know what? Let me put a limit sell in. So you see it right here. Let's just say the price is 139 right there, okay? And you're gonna put a limit sell for 136. Okay, so here's what happens. So you put the limit sell for 136, right? Let's go back. Let's go back as if we was doing it. So let's just actually do it, okay? So we're gonna put limit sell, right? We're gonna put our price for 136, right? And you're gonna put I got 124 shares there. Put 124 shares, right? Time and force day, extended hours, yes. Then I would just do one more thing to complete this. I will hit that button right there, boom. Now let me show you what that does, okay? When you do that, what you're doing is, so let's just put it, this is how limit sells right here, okay? What you're doing is when you do that, price is going up. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Sold for you. So now, what happens is, while you went to the bathroom, because you put that limit sell, as that price dropped on you, and you didn't know you wasn't next to the computer, it sold for you. Okay? It sold for you, limiting your losses. So let's just say from this point to this point, whatever, you lost $3 instead of all the way down here. You understand? It's a limit sell. Stop loss is the same in a sense, right? Hit stop. Once the stop price is reached, your order will automatically be converted into a market order. So what does that mean? All right. Now we gotta know what's a market order. What is a market order? What is this? A market order is when you place a trade, and let's say you want to get the, let's say you want to buy that no, let's just say you place a trade, and right now it's selling for 135. Okay. You could get the stock at 150. You could get the stock at 135. You know what I'm saying? It's like a roundabout. But what you do is that's good, because when it's going down, it's going to sell, and that's how you cut your losses. So this is one of the problems I still struggle with, but I got a little better at it. I don't do stop losses. I don't do limit sales. So for example, I trade emotionally a lot, and I'm trying to work on that. Okay, what I mean by that is when the stock goes up and it goes down, you know, sometimes instead of me just selling, I will hold on to it and pray, oh God, because that's just the way I am with stuff. I get emotional attached with things, all right? I'm like loyal and stuff like that. So I always got to remind myself, like, stop being loyal to the stocks. You can't trade with emotions. You got to trade with logic over emotions, okay? You're trading stocks, right? This is key. I'm telling you right now. This is key. This is so important. Very important. I can't even explain. Alright? And if you don't know how important this is, you will learn how important this is, because you're going to get your butt kicked a lot trading with your emotions. Alright? You got to have logic. And one of the ways that you can help yourself with logic, because sometimes, you know, emotions are going to get involved. One of the things to help you do to deal with that is this. You got to make some rules. You gotta make some rules you follow. Profit taking, I want 2% to 5%. Anything else is a plus. That's my rule. That's one of my rules. I'm breaking it right now, but I have my reason for so. Okay. I'm only gonna buy stocks that are down 20%. I'm only gonna buy stocks that are, you know, down or whatever. I'm only gonna do this. I'm only gonna do that. I'm only gonna buy when the I'm only gonna buy when the RSO is low. All right? When the RSI is low. What happens after that? All right? I'm only going to buy when the MACD is down here. I'm only going to sell when the RSI is at its high point. All right? I'm going to sell. That's my sell points. You got to make rules for yourself and see what works for you. Because everybody has different eyes when they're trading stocks, right? What I see with my eyes and what you see with your eyes is two different things, right? What I see with my eyes and what you see with your eyes are two different things, right? Stock is going up, everyone's happy, boom. This is how your face look right now. This is how my face look right now. Yeah, baby, show me the money. Show me the money. I'm buying on a dip, baby. So you see what I'm saying? We see things differently. So you got to make your own rules and come up with your own game plan. And you too can slowly start growing a small account, all right? You don't need a lot of money to do this, as I've demonstrated multiple times, all right? One last thing before I go. I want to teach y'all how to look at the money. All right? The stock market does this every day. It moves in. Okay? What I mean by that is, this is what I focus on when I trade. Percentage. I want percentage. Give me the percentage. I want all the percentages plus. Give me all the plus percentages. I don't think dollar value. The dollar value I have is the dollar value I have. It's nothing but a tool for me. Okay? So for example, after I sell my positions, being that it still go up and I'm left with $300+, I now will open up 3 positions at $100, looking for a 2 to 5% move. And that's very easy to do. I just look for these positions that went down, and I wait. Out of the 3, I may get 2. That's my strategy. I don't care about this. When I say I don't care about it, I don't mean like I don't care about it. Like it could be lost right now. I don't focus on that. I just continuously, when I can, add to it and make my plays and look for my moves. I want 2 to 5%. Now I'm getting back into penny stocks. Penny stocks in the beginning of my trading experience. Penny stocks. I started with penny stocks, but I didn't know nothing. I didn't know what I was doing. So of course I got my butt kicked, like all the time, in penny stocks. But now it's like I did a full circle in the stocks, and I done experienced a lot. Losses, wins. I would say more wins than losses, but before, the way I used to trade, my losses would eat my profits. And what I mean by that is, when I made profits, I was so happy I'd take it out so fast. But when I had losses, I would let it run. And I noticed that I got really, really good, but it was just I was not controlling my losses. I can tell you right now, out of 10 trades, I'm getting 8 of them bitches. Out of 10 trades, I'm getting 8. I'm getting 7, 8. Now, when you have a formula like that and you see that you're doing this, now you got to work on risk to reward. I'm willing to lose 1%. I'm willing to lose 2% to gain 5%. Right? Because when you start getting more precise with your sniper skills, right? It's going to be nothing for you to find you a position, find you some plays that are down or whatever, and just play and wait. But what I noticed, the emotions would get the best of you. Like right now, I should have been sold those positions, AMC, SNDL, but they're running, so I'm going to hold on a little bit. Even though that's not my trading style. I like the day swing trade. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope some of the tips I gave you tonight will help you in your trading career. The Sean Wickers BFC. You trying to get a comma up here. With that stem check, I'm investing, man. Like out of the 14, I don't know, I may just do half. Make that 1,000. I want to see that comma much. I like that comma. Comma's pretty. You know what I'm saying? When you got that 1,000, you can open up 10 positions at $100. You can open up 10 positions at $100. Right? 10 positions at $100, or even 5 positions at $200. You can do 5 positions at $200 and look for a 2 to 5% move. Aim high 5%, right? 5% on $200 is $10. Times that by 5, it's $50. With 5 plays. Now remember, 2 to 5% is just, it could be more. 14, it could be 15, it could be 20, as you see now. You see it right here, right now. 33%, 30%. Sean Wiggins, BFC. Stay tuned. Follow the videos. I'm going to keep putting them out. If you don't have Webull already, you can download Webull by using my link in the description below. Sean Wiggins, BFC. We out.